Page 34, marking time. 3/4 time, 1 flat. So is it F major or D minor? Look at the last measure here. Sounds D minor to me. I'm going with that. Right hand first, 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Follow this fingering, it's fine. Kind of sounds like it's a 4/4 time, but remember it's 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put a little accent on the first beat of each measure. You need to feel that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's a little fast. The idea is I want to feel that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The last 2 measures in the second line, you're up here. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you got accents on the first of these. Then third line, third measure, it's all connected. Watch that. I'm going a little fast. You work out these notes. When you're crossing over occasionally, just follow their fingering in the book, it's fine. And the left hand, you're here, 5th finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Just follow again. Second line, 1. They're saying thumb again. It's a new slur, so lift up. By using the same finger, it forces us to lift up. That's okay in this case. Going on, we have a staccato. Again, staccato. Now they're saying thumb. I don't like that. This is a big move. It's not really a fast piece, but I still don't like these kind of moves if I don't need to. So I'm going to suggest you do maybe a 4th finger if you can reach it, and then substitute the thumb. So just play it with 1 finger and then put the another finger here. Rather than here, I think it's safer. If you can't reach it, then you have to use 5th and then substitute thumb. But I would prefer a finger substitution there than jumping from thumb to thumb. That's a little dangerous. So you'll have to decide how you're going to do it though. But then going on, and then next line is 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Last line, 2nd measure, 3rd measure, you're starting there, and then you lift up and move up. So, it's okay. Moving around a little bit. Put the hands together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Combining the articulation and this at the same time. Usually I do one and then the other, but these videos are a little longer than I want them to be, so I'm kind of combining things together. You can go through it multiple times and you can just add one thing at a time here. You'll try and get the hands working together so there's no hesitations and the fingers are all working fine. Then you can go back and add this articulation and lift up between the phrases and the staccatos and all that. After you get to know it, I'm sort of combining it together. But 3rd line down, we're here. See, there's an accent on that. Dynamic-wise, for the most part it's the right hand, but the left hand has some motion in it, and when it does you can bring that out. Otherwise, bring out the left. This moderately soft is for the right hand at the beginning. Whatever moderately soft is to you, it's sort of soft. Moderately loud. It's just a little louder here and here. And again, that's right hand, so. Then in the third line down, third measure, you're going to crescendo up to a loud. Don't get loud until that measure. Don't get loud too soon, so pace it out. Then your diminuendo means go back down. They don't tell you how soft to get. Go at least to a moderately loud. You're down at least a little bit, and you can go down to a moderately soft if you want to. You can go all the way down to soft. I don't know. Now you're moderately loud like you were at the beginning. At the last line, you're going to diminu down to a soft. Well, you're already moderately soft, so you don't have much to go. You don't want to be soft until the last measure, though. In the last line, second measure, you're moderately soft. Just stay there. Now you and we slowed down because the retardando there, and then these fermatas, you hold those out whenever. With a metronome, I'm going to hold the left hand half note down, 4 counts, and then we're done. I'll just lift the right hand with the left hand, and everybody's happy. Yeah. Speed-wise, about 100 in that area. I think that's about. The idea. You have to work it up to that speed. Get rid of all the hesitations. You can't be hesitating anywhere. If you are, work on those spots and get rid of them. It's got to flow like a clock. I'd like to play this very slowly with you to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts and let's come in together. 1 and ready and go and 1. Hold, 2, off.